Tips and tricks for a great camping trip. Many people wish they knew how to have the best time when they go camping. Yet there isn't a lot of knowledge on the internet about how to enjoy yourself while you camp. Lucky for you, this is one of the few places where you can figure out how to get the most out of your camping experience. When you decide to go camping, you want to make sure that you bring a flashlight with some batteries. You want to be able to see in the middle of the night just in case you have to get up and go to the bathroom, or just to move around. When you pack up your campsite to go home, leave a few logs and some kindling for the next camping group that comes along. If you have ever arrived at your site after dark, you know how tough it can be to find firewood. It's a very nice pay-it-forward gesture that will probably help out more than you can imagine. Before you leave on your trip, use your backyard to help you work out the kinks in your camping equipment. Put up your tent to make sure you know, or remember, how to put it up. This will also allow you to see if anything needs to be patched up. It will make it that much easier for you when you get to the campsite. When you are heading out for that long-awaited camping trip, don't forget to take along your cell phone. You may be tempted to leave all the texting and calls behind, but your cell phone can be one of your most important safety lifelines in the event of an emergency. Make sure it is fully charged and keep it protected from the elements in a plastic bag or waterproof case. Bring supplies for s'mores. S'mores are an integral part of any camping trip. Simply pack graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows. Toast the marshmallows, then make it the filling to a graham cracker/chocolate sandwich. When you have a s'more, you will want some more. Bring enough for everyone to have at least 2 of them. As long as you try your best to follow the advice that was outlined from this video, everything should work out for you while you go camping. Make sure you try your best to go camping because it is a once-in-a-lifetime experience for you, and it will help you relax. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.